Do you guys want to explore mind mapping but are confused? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy guide on how to start and how to mind map in Taskade. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Now first off, make sure you are logged in Taskade. Now if you are, you should be provided this workspace right here. Click on projects and then you can just simply click on this small icon right here or just click on this create new icon right here. Once you've done that, click on it and then select start blank. Now once you've done that, you can add a project title. In order to enable mind mapping, just simply on the top toolbar right here, select mind map. This three dot is featured right here. Just click on it and then here you can see the tree-like structure or a map-like structure coming in. You can just add a task and then add a subtask right here. Now click here and add a subtask. Just click on insert right here and there you have it. The AI has created this whole entire subtask just for you. Now you can do it as per your wish, and I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.